Finally, your expansion into the Middle East. You're saying you're managing things well. It doesn't reflect that much on the bottom line because the bottom line this time around was flattish. But you are looking at top line growth and you are looking at margin expansion. I wonder how much of that comes in from the Middle East.
So Middle East revenue has been growing over the past 4 quarters. It has been very stable, wherein the post comeback from COVID was a bit slow there, but the last year has been extremely good. Even in the last quarter, we grew by around 35% in terms of revenue, and again, PAT was also grown by around 30% plus. So Middle East is stabilizing there, but the next phase of Middle East, we want to expand in that market again to replica the FOCO model, which we have started in India. We are going to start in Middle East as well, which is going to take shape in the next quarter, maybe, with a pilot franchise, which we will be doing. And post that, we will be expanding in the Middle East with the FOCO model, which will, again, be very return accretive.
Ramesh, from what I just heard before in terms of, the gold price and how it impacts you, I heard that you engage in hedging, but I've got to ask, how dynamic can you be with your pricing? Should we see, any kind of wild fluctuations in gold? Because, there's a lot of existential or macroeconomic conditions that could be in play. So can you change your pricing relatively quickly, or is it like a process? Because, some corporates do it quarterly, for example, or do you do it in a more dynamic fashion?
No, prices in India, it's not actually the jewelry product. If you look at outside India, it is a kind of piece rate, wherein one jewelry is this much dollars or this much dirhams, etc., right? But in India, jewelry comes with a gold price plus the making charge. So gold price keeps on changing on daily basis. Sometimes even more than once a day, we change the gold price. And
right.
on the inventory, we are completely hedged.